Do you own an oscillating tool? You don't? Well, you really do need one. You see, in the past, whenever I've had to make a tight cut, I've had to take off the hacksaw blade and get in there and work it, whether cutting wood or drywall, or even worse yet, metal, and cut and cut and cut. It took forever, but not with an oscillating tool. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Since purchasing my oscillating tools, I've dealt with a lot of cheap blades, but not anymore. Introducing the oscillating tool blades from Oshlun. These blades are designed for quick change, getting you back to work in a hurry. And the blades have various stops, so you can set it at various angles. So you're not locked into cutting straight up and down. And Oshlun blades are designed for cutting through various substances. Metal, like copper pipe in a hard to reach spot. Cutting through wood with metal, like you're cutting through a screw or a nail in the wall. Or like plastic, when you're trying to reach in a wall to cut a piece of PVC and your pipe cutter won't fit. Or like wood, in like baseboard in the closet in the corner. With the Oshlun blades, you now have the power to handle any job. And Oshlun blades come in a variety of widths. So if you're dealing in a really tight spot, or you're cutting a wide surface. I found the metal in the Oshlun blades to be the stoutest. Well, these blades are the strongest metal that I've ever dealt with. And Oshlun blades have another great feature. They have a depth gauge imprinted on every blade to take the guesswork out of how far you're cutting. So if I'm really restricted and want to cut through drywall and not any further, I now know exactly how deep I'm cutting. So if you're looking for replacement blades for your oscillating tool, look for Oshlun. You'll be glad you did. For more tool tips and suggestions, be sure to click like and subscribe to Field Guide to DIY.